Welcome back to our channel, Enlighteners. In order to become magnetic and superhuman, it is essential to develop divine habits that enhance personal magnetism and authenticity. These habits play a crucial role in shaping relationships, boosting self-esteem, and improving overall well-being. By cultivating these habits, individuals can experience a transformative power that not only impacts their own lives, but also influences those around them. The importance of incorporating these habits into daily routines cannot be overstated, as they have the potential to elevate one's presence and energy to a whole new level. Emphasizing the significance of these divine habits can inspire viewers to embark on a journey of self-improvement and personal growth. Through consistent practice and dedication, individuals can unlock their full potential and radiate a magnetic aura that attracts positivity and success. By understanding the profound impact of these habits on various aspects of life, individuals can harness their power to become the best version of themselves and create a ripple effect of positivity in the world. The first divine habit of unconditional love holds immense magnetic qualities that can truly transform individuals and their relationships. Understanding the concept of unconditional love and its significance in various spiritual teachings is key to unlocking its power. Examples like the prodigal son story and teachings from Buddhism beautifully illustrate the profound impact of unconditional love in fostering forgiveness, compassion, and acceptance. By embracing this powerful habit, individuals can experience a deep sense of connection and harmony with themselves and others. Practical tips on how viewers can practice unconditional love in their daily lives include cultivating empathy, practicing forgiveness, and letting go of judgment. By embodying these principles in their interactions and relationships, individuals can create a ripple effect of love and positivity in the world. The magnetic qualities of unconditional love lie in its ability to transcend boundaries and unite people in a bond of pure acceptance and understanding. By incorporating this divine habit into their lives, individuals can experience a profound shift in their energy and presence, attracting more love, joy, and fulfillment into their lives. The second divine habit of selfless service exudes a magnetic nature that not only benefits individuals, but also uplifts communities as a whole. Delving into the essence of selfless service reveals its profound impact on fostering empathy, connection, and unity among people. By engaging in acts of selfless service, individuals can experience a sense of purpose and fulfillment that transcends personal gain. Ways to incorporate selfless service into daily routines include volunteering time and resources, actively listening to others, and performing random acts of kindness. These simple yet powerful gestures can have a ripple effect in spreading goodwill and compassion, creating a positive cycle of generosity and support. The magnetic nature of selfless service lies in its ability to inspire others to also give back and make a difference in the lives of those around them. By highlighting the transformative power of selfless service, individuals can cultivate a mindset of abundance and generosity that enriches not only their own lives, but also the lives of others. Embracing this divine habit can lead to a deeper sense of connection with the world and a greater appreciation for the impact of small acts of kindness and service. The third divine habit of fearless authenticity possesses a magnetic allure that can truly transform individuals and their interactions with the world. By examining authentic living, individuals can unlock a sense of self-acceptance, confidence, and emotional well-being that radiates authenticity in all aspects of their lives. The benefits of embracing authenticity extend to improved self-esteem, deeper connections in relationships, and a greater sense of inner peace. Steps for viewers to cultivate authenticity include engaging in self-reflection to understand their true selves, speaking their truth with honesty and vulnerability, and celebrating their unique individuality without fear of judgment. By embodying these practices, individuals can align their actions with their core values and beliefs, leading to a more fulfilling and purpose-driven life. The power of fearlessness in embracing authenticity lies in its ability to inspire others to do the same and create a ripple effect of courage and self-expression. By emphasizing the importance of living authentically, individuals can pave the way for a more genuine and meaningful existence, where they can fully embrace who they are and share their unique gifts with the world. The fourth divine habit of inner peace holds transformative effects that can profoundly impact individuals' resilience, wisdom, and capacity for compassion. By delving into the concept of inner peace, individuals can discover its pivotal role in fostering emotional strength, clarity of mind, and a deep sense of empathy towards oneself and others. Practical strategies for achieving inner peace include cultivating mindfulness through present moment awareness, practicing gratitude for the blessings in one's life, and releasing the need to control outcomes beyond one's influence. These practices can help individuals cultivate a sense of calm and serenity amidst life's challenges and uncertainties. Emphasizing the importance of internalizing peace rather than seeking it externally is key to sustaining a lasting sense of tranquility and contentment. By turning inward and nurturing a sense of peace from within, individuals can cultivate a stable foundation for navigating life's ups and downs with grace and equanimity. The transformative effects of inner peace extend beyond personal well-being to positively influence relationships, decision-making, and overall quality of life. By prioritizing inner peace as a divine habit, individuals can tap into a wellspring of resilience, wisdom, and compassion that enriches their lives and radiates positivity to those around them. The fifth divine habit of boundless compassion encompasses a profound impact that can deeply enrich individuals and communities alike. Boundless compassion is defined by its limitless capacity to foster empathy, kindness, and understanding towards all beings, regardless of differences or circumstances. By embracing this divine habit, individuals are encouraged to practice compassion through active listening, advocating for those in need, and standing up for justice and equality. These actions not only benefit the recipients of compassion, but also cultivate a sense of interconnectedness and unity among all living beings. Embodying boundless compassion transforms individuals by expanding their capacity for love, empathy, and altruism, leading to a more harmonious and compassionate society. Communities that prioritize boundless compassion experience a ripple effect of positivity, cooperation, and support that transcends boundaries and fosters a culture of care and compassion. By illustrating the transformative power of boundless compassion, viewers are inspired to cultivate this divine habit in their own lives and contribute to creating a more compassionate and inclusive world for all. Through acts of kindness, understanding, and advocacy, individuals can embody the essence of boundless compassion and make a meaningful difference in the lives of others, ultimately creating a more compassionate and empathetic world for future generations. Also, we delve into the profound impact of selfless service on personal well-being and the building of strong communities. Giving without expecting anything in return is a cornerstone of selfless service, embodying the essence of compassion and altruism. By highlighting the importance of selflessly serving others, we not only uplift those in need, but also experience a deep sense of fulfillment and purpose in our own lives. Incorporating selfless service into our daily routines can be achieved through various avenues such as volunteering, performing acts of kindness, and sharing knowledge with others. These simple yet powerful gestures not only benefit those we serve but also contribute to our own growth and well-being. The ripple effect of selfless service extends far beyond individual acts, creating a culture of generosity and compassion that permeates communities and inspires others to follow suit. By fostering a spirit of giving and selflessness, we can cultivate stronger bonds within our communities, promote empathy and understanding, and work towards a more harmonious and interconnected society. Through the practice of selfless service, we not only enrich the lives of others but also nurture our own souls, fostering a sense of unity and purpose that transcends individual boundaries and propels us towards a more compassionate and inclusive world. Let's now explore the transformative power of living authentically and the myriad benefits it brings to personal growth and relationships. Encouraging self-reflection and the courage to speak one's truth are fundamental aspects of fearless authenticity, allowing individuals to embrace their true selves and navigate life with honesty and integrity. By emphasizing the link between authenticity, self-esteem, and emotional well-being, we recognize the profound impact that living in alignment with our values and beliefs can have on our overall sense of fulfillment and happiness. Cultivating authenticity involves taking steps to align our actions with our core values, embracing our uniqueness, and celebrating our individuality. By staying true to ourselves and honoring our inner voice, we not only foster a deeper connection with our own identity but also cultivate more genuine and meaningful relationships with others. The practice of authenticity not only empowers us to live with purpose and integrity, but also enables us to create a more authentic and harmonious world. By embracing our true selves and sharing our authentic selves with the world, we can inspire others to do the same, fostering a culture of acceptance, understanding, and genuine connection that transcends superficial barriers and nurtures deeper bonds of empathy and compassion. By delving into the role of mindfulness, gratitude, and self-awareness, we uncover the transformative power of these practices in fostering a sense of inner calm and tranquility amidst life's chaos. Emphasizing the distinction between external comforts and the enduring serenity of inner peace, we highlight the importance of seeking solace from within rather than relying on external circumstances for contentment. Encouraging viewers to take charge of their inner peace, we advocate for the practice of letting go of what cannot be changed, freeing oneself from the burden of unnecessary worries and anxieties. By cultivating a mindset of acceptance and surrender, individuals can find strength and resilience in the face of adversity, tapping into a wellspring of inner peace that serves as a source of unwavering support and guidance. Through the practice of mindfulness, gratitude, and self-awareness, we can nurture a deep sense of inner peace that not only sustains us through life's challenges, but also empowers us to approach difficulties with grace, resilience, and a steadfast sense of calm. If you're feeling extra generous and want to support our channel, consider sending a super thanks by clicking on button right below this video or the three dots. It looks like a heart within a dollar sign. By clicking on it, you can choose to make a small contribution to our channel. Your contribution helps us to keep bringing you valuable content and fuels our passion for creating. We're grateful for your support and can't wait to see your super thanks messages. In summary, the key points discussed revolve around the significance of cultivating divine habits such as unconditional love, selfless service, authenticity, inner peace, and boundless compassion. These habits hold transformative power in enhancing personal growth, fostering positive relationships, and creating a ripple effect of kindness and empathy in the world. Viewers are encouraged to integrate these divine habits into their daily lives by practicing acts of kindness, self-reflection, mindfulness, and advocacy for justice. By embodying these qualities, individuals can experience a profound shift in their energy, presence, and impact on others. It is essential to share this video with loved ones and take action towards embodying these divine qualities in order to create a more compassionate and harmonious world for all. By collectively embracing these divine habits, individuals can contribute to a more loving, empathetic, and inclusive society where kindness and compassion are the guiding principles. Let us all commit to implementing these divine habits in our lives and inspiring others to do the same, creating a ripple effect of positivity and transformation that transcends boundaries and unites us in a shared journey towards personal and collective well-being.